Hello, welcome back. So as the title of this video, you all came here for my review, my thought, and my idea for this Behringer Flow 8. So before this, I already made a video, a preview video for this. Then I got myself hands-on on the console, which I made series of video for AV electronics marketing. So I will share the link on top or in the description below. Then I've been using it for many live stream or even video plus audio synchronization for YouTube's. So all I will share to you all. The only word I can describe Flow 8 is very, very awesome. This is a very, very good device. So why is that? So I've been using many type of mixer and interface to do all this live stream or video audio work. So I've been using all this audio interface, Behringer UM2, UMC202, UMC404, and others. I'm using the Xenix mixer as well. I'm using the Behringer X32. I've been using the M32, even Behringer Win. So I could say that this Behringer Flow 8 is among the top. I think it's very close to the Behringer Win in terms of audio quality. So I've been doing one video about the ASMR crispiness of the fried chicken of the McDonald's. So this is very apparent to me in this video where I'm trying to do a ASMR video of the audio of the crispiness of the chicken. The low noise of the preamp of the Flow 8 is very apparent if I compare to, let's say, Xenix. So when I use Xenix in a post-production, when I review back this audio file, there's always some tiny noise which I need to remove it with the software noise cancellation. So, but for Flow 8, when I review back all this recorded audio, I found that the level of noise, if you compare to, let's say, maybe Xenix, even X32, is much more lower. I think this could be because of the Midas Pro series preamp built in on the channel 1 and channel 2. So that I think make a lot of difference. So I also do a lot of live stream. So when I'm doing live stream, I need to monitor the audio. So I normally plug the headphone and I listen back to myself. So I found that even the Flow 8, the output of the headphone, has less noise compared to others. So this is very good to me because sometimes I feel annoying when I listen back and the level of noise is higher. So I've been using XR18 before for a live stream. So I found that the level of noise of the headphone is much more higher if compared to Flow. So normally what I do is I route the signals from the OBS software that I use, and then I put a noise cancellation to remove all this noise and route back to my monitor, the headphone monitor. So I can monitor less noise signals. Because of course, there's a tiny latency delay due to this kind of routing. So another good features of the Flow 8 is the easy gain. So this is a very, very, very good features. So why is that? In my McDonald's video that we did, so we have few location. So every time when we move location, I need to move the mic as well. If I move the mic, means I need to reconfigure again the gain and the level. If I need to do that, I need to take my handphone and I can readjust again. I need to check. So this is very troublesome. But with Flow 8, this easy gain helps a lot. So basically, I just plug the mic and then easy gain, and I just say testing 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will automatically set the gain and the level of the particular channel for me. So it's that easy. I just move here, easy gain, I move there, easy gain, I move here, and easy gain. So that's easy. So basically, I never use the application from the handphone. Even during live stream, video shooting, I never use any processing inside because I'm using a very good mic, Royal MFC 81 condenser shotgun mic. is a very good mic. The quality is nice. And then I'm using a good console. Basically, I got a very nice wood quality. And if there's a need of a tweaking, I can do it in a post-processing. So basically, I believe, to me, the Flow 8 make my life easier. So you should consider it, and I highly recommend this Flow 8 for your personal use or some recording or whatever you want to do with. It's up to you. So that's it for today, and bye bye.